What's up, guys? This just came in from TikTok Shop and I thought, why not do an unboxing video of the viral products that are on TikTok Shop right now? So welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. My unboxing videos are still pretty fresh. I want to give you guys some background about myself because doing these types of videos is still pretty new to me. And I know showing up here on my channel is very new to you guys as well. I started influencing back in 2022, and then last year I got invited to be a part of the TikTok Shop program and things went crazy for me. And since it's the hottest new thing everybody wants to know about, I wanted to bring you guys the perspective of an influencer. With that being said, my desire is to be authentic with you guys and to bring you guys the best from what was sent to me. But this video is very unique because this is going to be very raw. You're going to see everything I got today, those that I might like and those that I might not like. So let's just get into this video. So this one is from the brand Too Faced, and this one is different because this is actually a TikTok Shop box. And they usually only send this one to their influencers who are making a certain amount of cash every single month. So this is my very first one. So I'm excited about that. Okay, so this one, it comes with a little card and it's their lip plump injections. And it is their, I'm gonna just let y'all read that one. It's their mascara that says better than sex on it. It's kind of weird to say that, but that's what it says. They gave me a 24-hour lash primer, and this is the voluptuous volume. So I'll give you guys a taste of that later. Oh, this is kind of pretty unique. What is this? Oh my God. Dang, okay. This is a tablet. You can use this one for Android and Apple devices. Pretty cool. Look, it came with everything, plugs. Ooh, okay. Put the trash on the left and all the good stuff on the right. Okay, so this one is a very much trending one that sold thousands on TikTok Shop. These are the Lenovo portable headsets, and I requested these ones in pink. Woo! So this one has also been trending. This is the earwax removal tool. I can't wait to do a video on this one. Oh my God, this is beautiful. All four of these boxes are human hair extensions. You guys are just gonna have to click that subscribe button if you want to see me put these in. Video coming soon. Oh, this is the tinted eyebrow gel. So this one is smudge proof, waterproof, and it's supposed to last 24 hours. So we're gonna test this out in a video. So again, guys, y'all gonna have to hit that subscribe button if you wanna see this. This one does come with its own applicator. I did not know it came with all this other stuff. It also came with, oh, hubby's calling me. But it also came with the eyebrow shapers as well. So I got a few in there. Looks like it's like 3 eyebrow shapers in there too. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put these ones on the chair here so I don't lose them. Right here, this is usually how my packages come in from TikTok Shop. They have this thing about putting stuff in bulk. All right, so it looks like I got a box of shoes in here. These are knee-high boots, all in red. They have a zipper on the inside, but they are so cute. I do love that they're not too tall. Like this looks like about 2.5 inches. Ooh. This one right here is viral as well. This will be a great grab for Valentine's Day, and it's roses that has LED lights. So it's an LED rose tree lamp and an LED cherry tree lamp. So I got the pink, of course, and I can't wait to do a video on this one and set up my entire room to make it look a lot more Valentine friendly. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the bag. I guess I got this one in brown. I probably went with a classic color because they have this one in multiple different colors. This is a cute little tote bag, and the quality on this one is really good. I like it. And it looks like it looks like fully functional. What I like to call fully functional bags is that they have multiple compartments in the inside that I can put different things in. And even a zipper compartment for containing the more important stuff. Okay, so we got one compartment, a zipper here. Let's see. Okay, there we go. We got a zipper compartment there, small one. Looks like I could put cards in there. And then we have another compartment right there. And then I am sure that we got, there it is, a strap. Okay, so this is like a little handheld strap, but look how cute those little details are. And then we have the shoulder strap as well. Oh, that's just so cute. And I love the brown color. The green also looked really cute, but I just went with the classic color. Another one here, and it is a toolkit that has multiple different screws for basically anything that you can find in your house that you need to take care of. It's very compactable and everything is nicely organized in here. And then it even comes with automatic mechanical screwdriver, I want to say, if I'm saying that right, I don't know. You put the actual tool, the actual screw in that you need into the device, and you click the button and it rotates to unscrew or tighten whatever thing you need to work on. So I had to get this for hubby because he's always misplacing his tools. This is gonna be a great Valentine's Day gift for him. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, look at this. It comes with a card that you can customize. And then you have a rose on the inside. Oh my God, it smells so feminine and girly. It's very soft too. Okay, and then you have a heart necklace in the inside of it. So super, super cute. It's gonna be a promotion for a V-Day gift. I love it though, it is so pretty. So let me elegantly put you back in the box. What is this? It's like a regular, how do you call that? What do you call that? This is a straight leg pants that's very stretchy and nice. Video coming soon on how I'm going to style that one. It has a tie back, and I thought this one would be a really good grab, you know, for everyday wear, but even for working out. This is the last one. Don't want to judge whether the fabric is very stretchy, but I think I was expecting a little bit more material. It is a small. Okay, so I'm like, 'cause this looks like a little big. Let's see. Okay, so this is a jumpsuit that has a wide leg finish and it has a square neck. I hope that it looks as good as it did in the picture because the material feels very light. But other than that, everything else came in and looks great. That is all for my haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, this is as raw as I think I can get with showing you guys the behind the scenes of how they actually come in. At least everything in here was pretty much very decent. A lot of times brands will put special discounts for my followers. So of course, please stay on the lookout for that. Don't forget to subscribe. Come and hang out with me again. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.